Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got one from an umai crate. Go to japancrate.com, use the coupon code TheRamenRaider, get yourself a discount. This is from Sakurai Foods of Japan, and this is their vegetarian Shoyu ramen. Shoyu means soy sauce. So let's get to it. 500 mils of water. We got a noodle block. Like so. Oh, they're getting cranky, ladies and gentlemen. And then we got 3 minutes. Go. So, let me think. What am I going to talk about today? Yeah, big top 10 list. That's been going good. People seem to be... They have got mixed opinions on it. Not a lot of opinions on it this year. But this is the first, like last year, my top 10 list was basically just a slideshow. And this year, it's more, I got in front of the camera and all that good stuff, so. But it's already showing up, I think Business Insider Hong Kong did something about it. It's like, so that's pretty neat. It takes a little while to kind of filter through, but yeah, it'll probably make the Taiwanese news, maybe Singapore, I don't know. But yeah, there's some interesting things on that list this year, so go check it out. There's some tasty on there. Tasty yum yums. Do you like tasty yum yums? I know I do. There it goes. It's the cooking. Yeah, not a lot going on today. Basically getting this done, gonna get through ready for tomorrow. Gonna try to do some walking, but yeah, just trying to keep it mellow, get the kids on and off the bus. Gotta get my boy on the bus in almost exactly 45 minutes, so I'm doing pretty good. This is the third review of the morning, so I'm happy about that. And been working on unboxing videos. All of a sudden, in the last 2 weeks, there's just been a slew of packages showing up, which is great, but it adds a lot of work to my load. And so I've got to like figure out when to publish them and do the thumbnails and edit all the videos, and yeah, it's a lot, but it tends to work out pretty well because that's new stuff to review. But like I said, I haven't reviewed anything in, God, almost a month. Really. The last ones you saw were just to make new images for the top 10s. So, yeah. I've got a bunch here, especially subscription boxes. They've piled up, and I've got like lots of varieties to review, which is good. It's kind of crummy when you run out of stuff to review and you're the noodle reviewer guy. But I think we're going to be all right. I think we're going to be okay. I think this will be review number 4,220 as I inch my way towards the big 5K. But yeah, I'm going to try for the remainder of this week to do 3 a day. Maybe I'll do, maybe not on Friday. Maybe not on Friday. But... Well, hi, Miles. Out of the kitchen, buddy. Hot stuff. Not right now. Maybe when I'm done, okay? And then you'll have your banana time. Yeah. So I got him this, I had an Echo Dot, you know, and I wasn't using it. And he's really into the Alexa device. So what I did was I looked on Amazon, and sure enough, they've got a little battery base for it. And I set it up so he couldn't turn the lights on and off, because that was like the first thing he started doing. And so it's pretty good. Oh, there's sesame seeds in this one. I swear to God I've had this, but I guess not. I had 3 other varieties, and then there's a miso and a shoyu, and this is a shoyu. But anyways, noodle. Noodle's good. It's got kind of kind of the goopy outer layer. I kind of like that. And the broth is pretty good looking. I think you can probably see that. Oh, no. And that's one thing I got to do too. There we go. Yeah, it's time to get some new music around here. Simmer down, children. No one really wants to take off your socks unless you react to it that way. Don't take off your sister's socks. Leave her socks alone. I'll put you in kid jail. Do you want that? No! Not you, Mimi. Well... Miles, knock it off. You're gonna get in trouble. Well, Miles is certainly enjoying himself this lovely April morning. Here's something Mimi would like to do to its face. Gotta reload that sucker. Ah, I forgot about the joy of using a blowtorch on food. Okay. Hey, that's enough. Time out. Shush. See, I learned this trick. If I say time out, they start screaming and yelling, no. So the trick is, as soon as you say the timeout, say shush, and it kind of works. And Miles now says he has a headache. Yeah, I really wanted to do some nice egg on this, but I don't have any eggs due to them not having any eggs at the grocery store. I mean, it was just Easter 2 days ago, but come on. You knew it was going to be Easter. You could have prepared. You knew. You were all abuzz about Easter, and then what happens? You don't have eggs. Here's some spicy oil, a little bit. I need to re-up on that too. Falling apart, ladies and James. I think maybe we need some, what do you call it? Whoa, we need to be tightened up. You know, I also want to put some of this on here. Do I have any of this? Don't I? Yeah, I do. Oh my goodness.
I can't unlock the waiting back game.
Okay, well, there's nothing I can do about that right now, buddy. Oh, apologies. There is some Naruto Maki. Alright, well that's it for me today from Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day and all that good stuff. So yeah, hopefully I'll catch you tomorrow. Have a good one. Bye-bye.